Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to make pudina rice at home. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, I have took basmati rice, which I will wash and cook. The rice is ready now, and now let's make the green paste. For the green paste, I have took 1 cup of pudina leaves, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies and salt as per taste. Grind all the ingredients together. My green paste is ready now, and next let's see how to make the masala. I have took 2 chopped onions, the paste we prepared, 2 tablespoons of oil, few spices, fennel seeds and lemon juice. In a hot kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Next add the fennel seeds. Now let's add the spices, which have 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. Now let's add the chopped onion. Fry the onion until it turns into golden brown. Now the onion is turning brown, so I am going to add the green paste which we had prepared. Now add salt as your preference. Immediately after adding the salt, start adding the boiled rice. Handle it gently while mixing. Make sure that you don't break the basmati rice. Our pudina rice is almost ready now. Just add the lemon juice, mix it and serve it. This recipe is tasty and easy to make. Make sure you prepare it at home and give me the feedback in the comment section. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.